Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be taking you through my 5-minute makeup look that's super quick, super easy and effortless basically. So if you guys are interested, let's get started. So I'm starting with these two concealers. Both of these are from Maybelline and the first one is 25 medium. The second one, I'm not quite sure about the shade, but I will link it down or I'll just mention it on the screen. So I just like to apply a little bit, under my eye, my nose, forehead, just basically, dot it all over. And then I like to go in with the other concealer. And then I'm going to just blend it all in using this powder puff. I know that this is not meant to blend stuff, but I pretty much really like it. I feel it blends pretty easily. It just gives me a really nice base. And it's all blended in. I'm going to go in with a loose powder. This one is from K Beauty. I pretty much really like this one. I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows. Since my sari is blue in color, I would go in with, the blue shades. So I do not really have something that's exactly matching to my sari, but I would go in with this and this. So it's just like a mix and match thingy. I do not really know how it's going to turn out, but I think it's going to look pretty nice. And that's what my eyes look like. I pretty much really love it. It literally did not take me much time, and I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes and apply my mascara. These two literally make the entire makeup come together, and I cannot live without my mascara. I then go in with my highlighter, and I'm just going to take like a teeny tiny amount and apply it towards the inner corner of my eye. I just feel like that brings my eye look completely together. My makeup is done. I'm going to quickly put on some blush on my cheeks. So I'm using this one from Blue Heaven. I pretty much really like it. It comes in this stick form, which I feel is super convenient whenever you're traveling, like I am. So I'm just going to like dot this all over my cheek, the other side as well, a little bit on my nose as well, and my chin, since I'm not going to be contouring today, so I prefer to add in a lot of blush. And I'm just going to blend that all in with a brush. A little bit more because I feel like I want some more. I pretty much really like it. I will quickly use the same highlighter, just a little bit in here, a little bit here as well. And I'm just going to like dab that a little bit so that it doesn't look too much. And finally, I'm just going to apply my lip liner and my lipstick. I did have lip gloss on, so I'm just going to take it off. I'm using this lip liner from Nykaa. It's in the shade Pillow Fight. I have been using this for the longest time. If you guys have been around, you guys know. For my lipstick, I'm using Kiro in the shade Cinnamon Nude. This one is again a very light brownish kind of shade, which I pretty much really like whenever I do, heavy eye looks, like such as this one. This is not extremely heavy, but it's still like, blues, blacks. So with these dark shades, I prefer something lighter on my lips. So the thing about these kind of shades is that it kind of washes me out. And when that happens, I prefer to go in with a little bit of pink, right in the middle of my lips, because that just gets the light back to my face. Love the way these two shades actually match up. It just got the entire look together and I pretty much really love it. I'm going to finish it off with the Maybelline's Fit Me setting spray. I pretty much really like this one. I'm going to accessorize and show you the final look. I'm actually going to be using an eyeliner just to put on my bikini because I do not have another bikini with me. Pretty much much that's it for my 5-minute makeup look. It's super easy, super quick. You could literally like mix and match with any color depending on your outfit. I really hope this video was helpful and fun. I will see you next week. Bye. Love you.